Women have reported that dry skin is their most common problem. 42% spend more than $200 a year to solve this problem that may lead to fast aging. But it is also important to know how to use cosmetics so you don't harm your skin even more. For example, there are some certain rules for using clay masks, which are better to follow to avoid making your skin even drier. We at Health Atlantic pay attention to details about body care that may change your quality of life. 1. Leave clay masks on for only a short time. It is great to use masks to help your facial skin stay younger, but we can harm it even more with masks if we use them wrong. It is important to remember that, according to dermatologists, clay absorbs excess oils. It's better to not leave it on your face for too long because your skin can become very dry. Our goal is just to absorb excess oil, but not all of it. Follow the recommendations for how to properly use the product or rinse it off 2 to 5 minutes after you start feeling tightness. 2. Follow a certain order while applying cosmetics. Dermatologist Dr. Dendi Engelman gives tips on how to improve your skincare routine. First of all, you should always start layering the products with the lightest consistency. For example, toner and then serums and ampules. Sunscreen should be the last thing. Sunscreen should be applied daily, and not just in summer. Even 10 to 15 minutes under the sun a day can damage your skin and accelerate photoaging. 3. Pick a day to relax during the week. This may seem like a simple and easy rule, but many of us probably don't give themselves any time to relax. Our body and mind need it every week. Research suggests that stress levels at work nowadays are higher than ever before, and nearly 50% of workers experience it. Even skipping breaks can lead to chronic stress and exhaustion. Just make it a rule to have one day free from obligations, work, and intense thinking. These days may change your life for the better, because they can boost your immune system and add years to your life. 4. Don't sunbathe if you have fresh scars. To prevent the rapid aging of your skin, you need to take care of your scars properly. We may wound ourselves accidentally, but we shouldn't forget that scars can stay around for a long time and continue growing even after the wound itself has healed. It is better to avoid sunbathing if you have fresh scars, and if you have them in a visible place, you should apply sunscreen each time you go out. Sun protection may reduce the red or brown discoloration that can happen to scars. Doctors advise using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. 5. Don't give up chocolate. If you decided to exclude chocolate completely because of your diet, you may want to change your mind. First of all, bodies need sugar to have the energy to survive. Second of all, dark chocolate is healthy. Cocoa is rich with elements called flavonols that may help to protect the heart. Dark chocolate contains up to 2 to 3 times more flavanol-rich cocoa solids than milk chocolate. Also, it has been noticed that flavonols help to relax the blood vessels, improve blood flow, and even lower blood pressure. 6. Don't take popular diets as a guide to action. If there is hype about a new diet, don't take it as being 100% true. Always check the facts about nutrition and about how it works. Besides, our bodies are individual, and what works good on one person won't work for another and may even harm them. 7. Wear a variety of heel heights. Doctors suggest that, to keep your legs and feet healthy, you need to vary the different type of shoes and heel heights you wear. It's better to not wear flat shoes all the time because your calf muscles can get lengthened. And the opposite happens with high heels, your calf muscles can get shorter. 8. Exfoliate your armpits. Cosmetologists suggest exfoliating not just your face, legs, and hands, but also your armpits. You can do it once or twice a week, and it may help to stimulate cell renewal and unclog pores. But you should remember that underarm skin is very sensitive, so do it very gently. 9. Exercise right after learning something in order to boost your memory. According to studies, you need to exercise right after studying in order to improve your memory. Scientists even recommend the length of time you need to do it for 4 hours. During a study, people who exercised for 4 hours after learning retained information better than others. You probably won't do it that long, but the main thing is that activity and a good memory are connected to each other. 10. Avoid social isolation to look younger and to boost energy. It was noticed that people who don't have friends or social life get older faster. Doctors suggest going out at least once a week. It will improve your activity, health, mood, and help you to avoid premature aging. 11. Drink more if you didn't get much sleep. It has been noticed that sleeping 6 or fewer hours caused up to a 59% higher risk of dehydration. So if you don't sleep 7 to 8 hours per day, drink more water to restore your water balance. Which rules do you follow to keep your body healthy? Do you have any secrets when it comes to body care that no one knows about? Please share your experience with us. If you like our videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Do share this video and give thumbs up.